In order to make raising and managing sort requests as well as troubleshooting as easy as possible, all workstations supported by Mac Center running macOS 11 and higher will have a custom icon installed within their toolbar. This icon is known as the IT menu bar support icon. Opening the IT support menu bar icon is as simple as navigating to the top menu bar and selecting the IT logo. After selecting the IT logo, you are presented with a whole host of information regarding your device, as well as links to appropriate services provided by Mac Center or services you may need to complete your day-to-day job. Looking at the information provided, you can see here some of this information may be used to help us support you in a support case, that being the computer name, the version of Mac OS that is running, the last time the machine was rebooted, as well as the amount of storage that is left and remaining on the device. Below those 4 informational tiles are an additional 5 tiles that are links to services that Mac Center provides to help you. We are going to explore what each one of these actionable items can do in just a second. As you can see now, hovering over an item will reveal additional information. Selecting the computer name will bring up the About This Mac information. We may need this to help you troubleshoot. Selecting the macOS version will take you to System Preferences and Software Updates for you to complete any software updates that are required at any time. Selecting the last reboot tile will then just display an informational piece on when we at Mac Center believe you should reboot your machine, roughly every 7 days. Moving on, hovering over the storage title will show you how much space is remaining on the device. When selecting this tile, macOS will then launch its System Information utility specifically around storage. You can use this utility to determine what is taking up the most space on your machine, as well as to help you free up some space on your machine. Selecting Remote Support will launch TeamViewer Quick Support. We use this utility to establish a remote connection with your machine to do troubleshooting sessions to help you. Selecting Self-Service will open our curated list of application installs available to you within Self-Service, as well as any utilities that we have available in there as well. Selecting Create Support Request will take you to our it.maccenter.com.au website, which is our support portal where you can submit a ticket, view the status of your ticket, read any knowledge base articles, and contact our help desk for support. It's worth noting that you might be required to sign in with your company's email address to access this web page. Second last, here we have Okta sign in. Depending on what IDP your organization uses, this may say Microsoft, Okta, or Google. Whichever it may be, it will direct you to the relevant service that you can then sign in and use. And finally, at the end here, we're just displaying Mac Center's service desk number that you can contact when you require any support. And that's it. That's all the features and functionalities that the IT menu bar icon has to offer. We hope that you find this tool useful.